Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to get free airdrop through Telegram bot. Okay, so first you need to press start button. After that they are saying to us to human verification. So for human verification they have given one emoji and we will select the same emoji from here. Okay, now I'm going to select the same emoji. Okay, so after that they are saying to us to join their all of the channel. Okay, so now I'm going to join their channel. Okay, press on join. If you don't want to get any kinds of notification from their channel, you can mute. Okay, now I'm going to join there all of the channel. Okay, so I'm already joined the channel. Next and next. Okay, so now I have joined there all of the channel. Okay. Okay, so and after joining their channel they say to us that press join button. Okay, now I'm going to press join button. Okay, so now they are saying us that to follow their Twitter account and submit your Twitter link. Okay, so now I'm going to open their Twitter account. Just open. Oh my god, oh they have I pressed the Twitter account but I have directly came to their YouTube channel. Okay, it's okay. And now I'm going to submit my Twitter link below. Okay, that is my Twitter link, that is I'm going to submit there. Okay, and I can check my account. Okay, I don't have any coins there. Okay, now I can set up my wallet. Okay, so first if we see how much token we can withdraw. So okay, so they are saying to us you need to refer at least 5 more users to be eligible for claim. So and we need at least 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 coin to withdraw our balance, so we can set up our wallet address. Okay, press on wallet. After that they are saying to us your NABA is coin wallet address none, so use button to below change the wallet address. And now we are going to change the wallet address. Press on change the wallet address. Okay, so now they are saying to us enter your neighbor's wallet address, so where we will find this contract address for sending. Okay, so first we will go on Telegram channel. Okay, so after that we will copy the contract address. Actually I copied this. Okay, just a minute. Copy, yeah, I pressed copy and now I'm going to open Trust Wallet. Okay, so it is taking some time to. Okay, now I'm going to press onto that button. After that press a plus button. After that change to. Okay, let's see what was that. Okay, now submit your polygon, change to network uh, now submit your polygon and change this address. Okay, sorry, I already copied all of them. It's okay. Copy. Yeah. Okay. Polygon. Paste this address. Okay. So we have found this token on this airdrop. Okay. So now we will copy the address. Okay. Press erase button, and after that press copy. This address we have copied, and now we will submit submit on Telegram. Okay, let's check. Okay, okay, I have successfully submit my NEVAS wallet address. Okay, so now if I press on referral, then we can see how much token we will get per referral. Okay, so they are saying to us, if I refer one people, and I will get 5,000 NBAS token. Okay, and they are also saying to us that fake referrals equal to not payment. So we will never try to make fake referrals. If we make a fake referrals, maybe we will not get our payment. So at least you need refer uh, 5 people to withdraw your balance. So I think it so refer your friends to withdraw your balance. Okay, okay, bye bye.